How did you realize that your partner was the one? I got laid off from my job of 5 years during the pandemic in 2020. It was a difficult time because no one was hiring despite my credentials. I have applied countless times and none got back to me, or I wasn't chosen for the interview. At that time, my boyfriend encouraged me to start the business I always wanted. Told him I have bills to pay. He laughed and said he will cover for me until my business takes off. I was selling crocheted dog clothes. He helped me set up my business, supported me, and paid for all of our bills. Took 3 months to get the first sale. I was losing hope until I got my first sale. I got excited. Then I got more and more each day. I was busy and tired, but that defeated everything because he believed in me. My boyfriend did all the logistics stuff and I focused on the rest. After a year, my business took off. I sold on Etsy and have grown into a full e-commerce store. I also grew thanks to TikTok. A year and a half later, he took me to a dog shelter and told me besides the other orders I received, the first 8 months of my business he was buying each week and donating them to this shelter. They showed me photos of the dogs wearing my crocheted dog clothes on the day they get adopted. A few months later, he proposed to me with a Labrador from the shelter. I knew he was the one.